Brain School. Written and illustrated by James Rutherford. Read by Gus,
Bristyn,
Braxton, Camilo, Jonathon.
In the country of Chad, it is the first day of school. The dry road is filling up with children. Big brothers and big sisters are leading the way. Will they give us a notebook? Thomas asked. Will they give us a pencil? Will I learn to read like you? Stop asking so many questions and keep up, say the big brothers and big sisters. Thomas arrives to the schoolyard, but there are no classrooms. There are no desks. It doesn't matter. There is a teacher. We will build our school, she says. This is the first lesson. Thomas learns to make mud, bricks, and dry them in the sun. He learns to make mud walls and mud desks.
He gathers grass and saplings with the other children, and they make a roof. Inside it is cool. It smells of the earth. It smells of the fields ready for planting. Thomas helps bring in little wooden stools. Everyone sits down. This is the moment they have been waiting for. The teacher brings in a blackboard. On it she writes a letter. A, says the teacher. A, says Thomas with the other children. The teacher writes a letter with big strokes in the air. The students do the same over and over. Wonderful, says the teacher.
She hands out notebooks and pencils. Page 1, says the teacher. Thomas opens his notebook to the first page and holds his pencil ready and waiting. Now write the letter. Beautiful, says the teacher as she looks at the students' work. Every day, Thomas learns something new. Every day, the teacher cheers him and the other children on. Excellent jobs, she says. Perfect, my learning friends. The 9 months of school year fly by. The last day has come. The students' minds are fat with knowledge. Their notebooks are rumbled from learning. Thomas and the other children call out, "Thank you, teacher." She smiles and says, "Well done, my hard-working friends." See you next year, Thomas and the other children race home.
The school is empty and just in time. The big games have started. The drops come down hard and fast. Strong winds tear the grass roof. The rain finds its way inside. The school mud walls are soaked and start to slump. The mud desks too. Slowly the school disappears until there is almost nothing left. It doesn't matter. The letters have been learned and the knowledge taken away by the children. Come September, we will start all over. Thomas will be a big brother then, leading the children on their first day to school. They will all stand in front of their smiling teachers, ready to go to school again.